Hey, what's up? It's me, Brent from Brenspeed, S550. It's got our Stage 3 Paxton package. I'm gonna make a Dyno pull, show you the numbers. It's gonna be a short video today, but check it out. Sweet automatic S550, our Stage 3 Paxton package. Got a Novi 2200. Watch this Dyno pull, let's look at the numbers. This car is awesome. Man, check this right out. This thing is sweet. Novi 2200. This car has wicked wheels on it. Automatic. It's got enough power to go 10s. We're gonna look at the graphic. Come over here. Let's check this out. So it's the Novi 2200. It's our Stage 3 package, which of course comes with a JLT air induction system. You get Deeswerk 95-pound fuel injectors, Kinney Bell booster pump. I tuned this car with SCT. I'm using the SCT BDX today. If you don't know what a BDX is, a lot of times people are like, what's the difference between a BDX and an X4? Well, X4, we email calibrations, and the BDX, we can put them on a cloud. You can download to it through Wi-Fi, boom, put it on the car. But that's really sweet. So look at these numbers right here. 671 rear wheel horsepower SAE, 516 torque. What I would like to see next on this car right here as a stock stall converter, I'd really like to see a Circle D converter, about like a 3800 stall. This car's gonna rip off the line, but it's really cool, I like it. Hey, and if you like it, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much this costs to get put on your Mustang, or we have these kits for a lot of other years of Mustangs. Check out our website. And of course, we have free shipping in the 48 states. www.brenspeed.com. Leave a comment, I'm happy to answer. And don't forget, subscribe, hit notify if you haven't. Try to put a few of these videos out every week. A lot of cool rides, mostly Mustangs, but you never know what you're gonna see. Thanks for watching.